Da ni'n falch eleni bydd yna gweithlu ar y tŵr Gogledd Cymru, a mae hwn yn rhoi cyfle i'r busnesau o fewn Sir Ddinbych i cael well dealltwriaeth o be ydy'r prosiectau, sut fedryn nhw elwa y prosiectau, a hefyd sut maen nhw'n buddsoddi mwyn i'r cwmnïau nhw tyfu o fewn Sir Ddinbych. Mae twf Gogledd Cymru yn buddsoddiad o 250 o filiynau o pres yn yr economi yn yr rhanbarth. Mae hwn yn partneriaeth rhwng y Llywodraeth yn Caerdydd a Llundain, a mae yna cyfle yma i'r sector preifat elwa o'r buddsoddiad yma.
The £240 million North Wales growth deal is arguably the largest investment across North Wales for decades, and it has some direct benefits for our local businesses. Projects include digital and transport connectivity, investments in sites, premises and housing, as well as substantial investments in research and development and skills facilities in manufacturing, tourism, agriculture and energy. It's essential that our local businesses stay as up to date as possible with the developing deal, and the event on the 6th of March is the perfect opportunity to do just that.